Alright guys, so today we are talking about angles of depression and angles of elevation. So we're going to do some notes together, and then you'll be able to practice some problems on your own. Oh, here, let me fix that for you. Okay, so the thing that you need is this picture that's right here. This guy's going to help you out tremendously. So, the angle of elevation is made with the ground and your line of sight to an object above you. Okay, so this is elevation. The angle of depression is the angle from the horizon in your line of sight to an object below. So this is what the angle of depression looks like. So you're here and then you look down, so this is depression. So this picture will help you a lot. Okay, so always Toa. Okay, example 1. You're standing 196 feet from the base of an office building in downtown Salt Lake City. The angle of elevation to the top of the building is 65 degrees. Find the height of the building. Okay, so elevation looks like this guy, so I would draw that picture. You're over here. It says, so we're trying, the angle of elevation is 65 degrees. Here's your right angle. And we're trying to find the height in the building. And it says that you are standing 196 feet from the base of an office building. So here's your picture. So this is your HOA. So because I have the O and the A, I'm going to use tan. So tan, or tangent, of 65 is equal to opposite over adjacent, and then you solve by multiplying each side by 196. Okay, so 196 times tangent of 65 is 420, and we're rounding to the 10th, so 420.3 feet tall. That's how tall the office building is. Okay, John is standing on the roof of a building that is 300 feet tall and sees Sarah standing on the ground. If the angle of depression is 60 degrees, how far away is Sarah from John? So, John is standing on the roof of a building. Bricks. Okay. Oh, here's John. Hi. Okay, and then he sees Sarah over here. Hello. And she's standing on the ground. So the angle of depression is this guy, this angle here, and it's 60 degrees because this line is technically moving down. And I want to figure out how far away Sarah is from John. And he said that he was standing on a building that's 300 feet tall. So it like matches. Oops. Well, that line is off. That's okay. Okay, so here's your H, here's your right angle. This is our opposite and adjacent, so it looks like another tan. So tan of 60 is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay, multiply each side by x. So now I have x times tan of 60 equals 300. Divide each side by tan of 60. And x is 300 divided by tan of 60 is 173.2 feet. So that's how far away John and Sarah are. Okay, a kite has a 25-foot string. The wind is blowing the kite to the west, so the angle of elevation is 40 degrees. Okay, so an elevation problem looks like this guy. So here you are, and here's the kite, little tail, little bows or whatever, I don't know. Okay, and then this string is here. It's blowing, the wind is blowing to the west, so the angle of elevation is 40 degrees. How far has the kite traveled horizontally? So I want to know this distance. And the string is 25 feet. Okay, so from here, this is my opposite and my hypotenuse. So an opposite and hypotenuse is a sine. So sine of 40 is equal to opposite over a hypotenuse. Multiply each side by 25. And then 25 sine 40 is 16.1. So the kite is 16.1 feet tall. Okay, last but not least, a sledding run is 400 yards long with a vertical drop of 40.2 yards. Find the angle of depression. So depression looks like this guy. Okay, and then the depression angle is over here. So 40 point, oops. Nope. Okay, my bad. Okay, sledding run is 400 yards long, so 400 is here. And a vertical drop of 40.2 yards, so that's here. So this is 40.2. Finding the angle of depression. So if I stand here, I've got my hypotenuse and my opposite, so that's a sine of x is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Now, this one, when I am looking for the angle, you're going to use the inverse. So it's the inverse of sine, and then you type in 40.2 over 400, and that'll give you the angle of depression, the degree. So click sine twice so that we have an inverse of sine, and then it's 40.2 divided by 400, and you get 5.8 degrees. That's the angle of depression. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye.